Hello and welcome to CableCareCommunications.com. Established in 1996, CableCare Communications provides a leading-edge installation termination of fiber optic cables, fusion splicing, single and multi-mode. We have over 2 decades of experience in structured cabling as well as data centers. With highly trained, courteous installers, we only use state-of-the-art testing equipment. CableCare Communications works directly with commercial and residential clients, architects, GC for all voice, data, and fiber cabling needs, as well as phone installation, surveillance systems, and much, much more. In addition, we are well known for meeting all of the deadlines and providing exceptional customer service and our competitive rates. We want to be your reliable partner in your next project. And it doesn't matter how big or how small the job, CableCare Communications is there to serve your needs when you need them the most. We encourage you to review our website at CableCareCommunications.com, and then please do get in contact with our friendly professional staff to discuss your current or your future needs. And remember, at CableCareCommunications.com, we are big enough to serve you and small enough to care. Thanks for watching.